Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy, dinero, and you see, I got an unboxing, you feel me? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm kinda excited to unbox this box, you feel me, for y'all. My last pair of shoes, which was my my Yeezy boots, I ain't even do no unboxing. I was just so eager to see them, so I'm like, you know what, fuck it. So, I got a box right here. And I just got these like a few days ago. As y'all know, I just hit like 1,400 subscribers. So as a treat to myself, you feel me, might as well give myself some. So I'm gonna open up this box for y'all. I need some scissors. I need something to cut it open with. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up. I just got this some little bull. We're just gonna get the jar. Hey, hold on, what's this? Yo. Hey, wait, hold on. 450, hey. Yeah. On me, 450. Yeezy. Adidas, y'all already know. Now, this is my first time ever seeing these, so. Damn. Yeah, these the Yeezy 450s. These crazy. These raw. These fake raw as hell. These cold. Look, y'all gotta see like the detailing, and then this not even like this not even a gray, like, well, it is gray, but like it's a blue too. I'm gonna give y'all a up and close and personal, you know, detailed. But these my new pickups for real. Nothing crazy. Yeah, my new pickups. These ain't nothing crazy for real. This is just some slight. I just wanted like some more like casual shoes, so I just copped these, and like I was doing my research on them, and you feel me, they look decent. So you feel me, I'm like, man, might as well cop. They only like 100. Adidas trying to get rid of this shit anyway. I know Kanye said don't buy it. I'm sorry, Ye, but somebody gotta buy it, bro, and review this shit for real. And I'm gonna be the one to do it for real. I'm finna show y'all. Hold on. As y'all can see, like, look how like these shoes crazy. Damn. Yeah, these shoes raw. You just wear these on some slight, on some casual stuff. You can't wear these, you feel me, to do everything again. But these raw though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, y'all. So it's the end of the video. I just gave y'all a few outfits. Y'all see the Yeezy 450s. I really like this shoe. They real comfortable. You feel me? I really fuck with these. I ain't gonna lie. They clean. You can never go wrong with like a clean pair of shoes. And these is most definitely a clean pair of shoes. Like, they so smooth. These easy, you feel me, to like keep like somewhere, you feel me. You don't even gotta like do too much when it comes to these, because they're so small and like size of a shoe. Even though I wear a size 12, you feel me, these are 12 and a half. I would recommend going up a half size. You feel me, I got these. I don't know, these raw though. I fuck with them. I like them a lot, especially on feet. Like, they even like smooth on feet. Adidas just put these motherfuckers on sale. Like, mind you, I got them on sale for $100. I thought that was a good deal. But Adidas just put these on sale again for $60. And I'm finna show y'all. That's crazy, right? Alright, so this is the Adidas website. Y'all can see they on sale. 63 bucks. Adidas just put like all this on sale. So I'll just show y'all so y'all can see what's really going on me. This roto, I kind of want to get some Yeezy Quantums just to like have like some casual shoes, like some more just casual shoes. And you see they only 88. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. But I don't need no more shoes though, for real, for real. Y'all see when they got my babies on here. I'm glad I got mine when I got them. But they don't really got much, you feel me, because everybody obviously know about the sale and people been buying probably in bulk, for real, for real. But yeah, only thing they got left that's like worth getting for real is probably these phone runners. I know they still got them in my size, like 12, 13, you know, bigger shoe sizes. Those are typically the ones that go kind of fast. So if you not on it, you feel me, you gotta most definitely, you know, jump on it. Shit. Yeah, 700s. These cold to me. Now I kind of want these, but I don't know. Let's just look at them right quick. These super hard. Yeah, they got them. They got them. I'm gonna try to wait. If these go on sale, I ain't gonna lie. If these go on sale, even more cheaper than the 84, I'm gonna cop them just cause, you know. But yeah, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't need to be buying nothing else though. But if these go on sale one more time, I promise y'all I'm gonna cop these, cause I've been looking at these for a minute. And the boots super cold to me. These raw as hell. So yeah. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I know this probably like my first video in like 2 weeks. I just been like living, man, in real life, honestly. Just trying to get new experiences. Not, you know, showing everything on the camera. But I do have like a lot of footage though that I can post. I probably am. I'm gonna make a vlog. I don't know what's going on this week for me currently, but I'm gonna make a vlog. Just what I've been on, for real, for real. Y'all can see the life of me. But man, I appreciate all the love and support as always, man. You know, nothing I do is possible without y'all, you feel me? Without me and without God, so, and my family, you know. So all support to everybody who's showing me love, man. I appreciate it. I got more on the way, more content on the way, man. The last like few months has been crazy for me. Like, it's been like a roller coaster, for real, for real. So I'm just excited for what August has in store and what for the rest of this year has in store. But that's all I gotta say, man. I'm gonna catch y'all next video, which will be later on this week or maybe early next week. But it's all good. Deuces, fuck you, I'm out.